Apple has launched the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, positioning them as the most advanced Pro models to date. Added Ceramic Shield 2 protection on the front and back. The Pro and Pro Max models will offer in blue, orange, and silver. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch panel support promotion with up to 120Hz refresh rate and always-on functionality. Apple has increased peak outdoor brightness to 3000 nits. iPhone 17 Pro Max powers with the A19 Pro chip, a 3nm processor with a 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. Apple equips the iPhone 17 Pro models with 348MP Fusion rear cameras, a wide, ultra-wide, and new telephoto lens. The telephoto lens supports 4x and 8x optical zoom. The front-facing 18MP center stage camera includes a square sensor, new square sensor for a wider field of view, enhanced stabilization, and AI-powered rotation for group selfies. iPhone 17 Pro Max come with 5088 mAh power monster. Support 50% fast charging in 20 minutes with Apple's new 40W dynamic power adapter. The iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,199 for 256 GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.